We are going to make a retro dish today called mac and tomato dish. This is my husband's grandmother. She's 89 years old and we call her Granny because in the South they give nicknames to their grandparents like Granny or Gran or Mama or Nana, Momo or Papa or Peepaw. She made this nice recipe book for us. She actually had one of my recipes in here. So I'm gonna have to say something to her. But anyway, oh, I need to make that one someday. Let's go back. So I noticed this one here. This one is called Mac and Tomato Dish, and it looks really easy, and it's made by Mama. So it's my husband's great grandmother, and so we're gonna try this. Requires 4 ingredients if you don't count the water. Bacon and onion and rotel and macaroni. I mean, that's gotta be good. So fry up your bacon, and we're gonna crumble that up when it's all fried. If the world's ending, we don't eat bacon in heaven, so might as well eat it now. Strain it on a paper towel. You know, if there's no bacon in heaven, there's probably fruit that tastes like bacon. All right, water's boiling, so I'm gonna add a cup of macaroni. We're gonna cook this for 8 minutes until it's nice and tender. Then we're gonna add the tomatoes. We're gonna slice this onion and saute it. It seems like a lot of onions, but they'll shrink down. Add just a little salt, a little bit of pepper. After you strain the macaroni, put it back in the pot. Add a can of rotel. Now it says layered on top, but I'm gonna mix it in. Actually, instead of rotel, it's better to use a tomato that has a lot of sauce in it, like the crushed or diced tomatoes. Add a smidgen of salt, a little bit of pepper. All right, we're going to pour the macaroni and tomatoes into a pan. Sprinkle the bacon on top. This is a pound of cooked crumbled bacon. It's a lot of bacon. All right, we're gonna take our caramelized onions and sprinkle those on top. That's it. That's the, what's it called? Mac and tomato dish. I guess it's a side dish? I don't know, but we're gonna try it. So if you've ever had the typical macaroni and tomato dish that's like super easy to make, that's the alternative to macaroni and cheese, well, this is like that, except for it has the onions and the bacon, which kind of spruces it up a bit. It's good. Thanks for watching.